Welcome back to Python for Beginners with AnnZee Learning.
In Lesson 2, we'll master the print function, learn how to write comments, and see exactly how a script runs.
Let's dive in.
In the last lesson, you installed Python and ran your very first program.
Today we'll build on that. By the end, you'll know how to print anything you want and keep your code neat and readable. Let's start with print. The print function displays text on the screen.
You write the word print, an open bracket, your text inside quotation marks, and a closing bracket.
Run it, and there's your message. You can print more than one thing at once. Just separate each item with a comma. Notice that Python automatically adds a space between them.
You can even mix words and numbers together.
For text, you can use single quotes or double quotes.
Both work exactly the same in Python. Just make sure you start and end with the same type of quote.
Now, let's talk about comments. A comment is a note you write for yourself or other people.
It starts with a hash symbol. Python completely ignores comments when it runs your program, so they're a great way to explain your code.
Here's how it looks.
A line starting with a hash is a comment on its own.
You can also add a comment at the end of a line of code. Either way, only the print line actually runs. Here's a neat trick.
Inside your text, \n creates a new line, and \t adds a tab space. These are called escape characters, and they help you format your output nicely.
So how do you actually run your code?
Save your file, open the terminal, type Python, then the name of your file, and press enter.
Python reads your file from top to bottom and runs each line. A few things to watch out for. Always remember your quotation marks and your closing bracket. And be careful, Python is case sensitive.
Print with a capital P will cause an error. It must be lowercase.
Let's recap.
You learned to use print to display text, to print multiple items with commas, to write comments with the hash symbol, and to run your script from the terminal.
Fantastic progress. In the next lesson, we'll learn about variables, a way to store and reuse information in your programs. Thanks for watching.
Please like and subscribe to AnnZee Learning.
Happy coding!